This bird may seem real, but it is not. SmartBird flying bionic robot is inspired by nature. From a distance, it's really hard to separate from a real gull. SmartBird weighs 450 grams, a little bigger than a herring gull. It is capable of autonomous takeoff, flight, and landing using just its wings, and it controls itself the same way birds do, by twisting its body, wings, and tail. As with a real bird, the SmartBird's tail produces lift and functions as both a pitch elevator and your rudder. In the future, it can be used in surveillance and search and rescue operations. What do you think? Do you think this would violate people's privacy? Tell us in the comments.